When it comes to kitchen tools, blenders are probably one of the most versatile things you can have in your kitchen. Everything from breaking up ice to make smoothies, to making soups and sauces and all types of other things. Hey guys, it's Carmen with DiMaradeo, and our friends over at Cozii sent over this awesome Pro Series power blender with max 2000 watts. This is super powerful. It's going to destroy ice. We're going to do a quick little demo on that, and it comes with a variety of tools. So fresh out of the package, here it is. It comes with your food recipe book, which I think is super helpful because a lot of times you get things like this and you start thinking about all the things you want to make and all the soups and all the sauces and all the smoothies, and then you're not really sure how to go about it. So then you start searching things up. Well, guess what? Cozii does you a solid and sends you a recipe book. On top of that, they give you the user instruction manual, so that way you know how to operate this thing, as well as a notice and a contact. If you have any concerns, reach out to them and they will take care of you. So it comes with your canister. This is 74 ounces. With that comes with the lid. And the lid is really nice because it has this feature that you can take off the top, so you can access that and use the tamper. So if you're making a smoothie or you're busting up ice and you need to get in there and kind of bust things up, this tamper is really super helpful. I do want to point out, check it out in there. I mean, I just rinsed it all out, but there's serrated blades in there. There's the 4 blades. 2 of them are curved down. 2 have like wings on the side up, and then there's 2 little blades up top. So this is really designed so that way it can chop up whatever you're putting in here. When I attach it to the base, you're going to hear it beep. That indicates that it's connected and that power is going. And if I start pushing buttons, things are going to start happening. It also comes with this individual blender attachment, which I just mixed up a smoothie for this, and it's super convenient. It comes with the shaker lid as well, so you can pour out of this. Everything on this is reverse thread. So when you're putting it on, you're so used to putting it on and turning to the right, well, that's going to close it, and it has directions on here to make things a little easier. I love the fact that the carrying drink has this nice lid that you can actually close. So if you make your smoothie or your protein shake or whatever, you can take it with you on the go. You don't necessarily have to leave it in that glass and pour it out of this pitcher. Also comes with a cleaning brush, which is really helpful because when we're all done, we're doing a quick little show of how we clean this. I like to do it the most efficient way possible. So we're going to take some ice. We're just going to go ahead and dump it in here, and we're going to chop up this ice so I can do a quick little demo on how powerful the Cozii Pro Series blender is. So there's 2 ways of operating this. Number 1 is you can just turn it on. All the lights turn white, and now I can use the variable speed control. So I'm going to turn this on, and you're going to just see that it's going to just start shredding this ice. Here we go. And you can see with the variable speed control, it allows you to control everything. Now, if we just go ahead and turn, so now with the white button, with everything lit up white, it's on and it's active. So now I'm just going to hit ice crush, and then I'm going to go back to hit start. I want to pause that. It's going to start back up. What I like about that is it turns it on and it blends it up and it stops, because what it does is it allows all the ice to fall back down, and then it just kicks it back on. So you can see in those few seconds we had it running, we made some nice slushy. So I'm going to dump this out. Now I'm going to do a quick little demo on how we clean this. And cleaning is probably the easiest part. So all I did is I put a little bit of soap in and some water. This is my favorite part of cleanup because this is probably the most hands-off cleaning thing you can possibly have. We're just going to attach the lid. For this one, let's use smoothie. So we're just going to go ahead and smoothie and start. And you can see almost instantaneously all of that soap gets blended in with that water. And when you're making a smoothie or soup or anything that you're making, all that food debris is going to be spinning around. All the soap is going to pull it off the plastic. And then if need be, when you open up the lid, you can use this brush to get down in the bottom once you dump out all the soap. But look at all that soap. How crazy is that? So this is super easy to clean because of using that. So if you're in the market for a new blender, or maybe you just need something with a little more power, go check out my friends at Cozii. They bring the power.